Hey everybody, Varun here from 𝗙𝗍𝗀𝗀, guys. Welcome back to another video. This video, we are going to quickly look at one of the questions I've been getting from a lot of students in the last 3 to 4 days. Many students are worried if they have to take the exam in 2023. Are there any changes in the test? Are there any changes, especially in the writing module? There have been quite a few rumors going on that writing has changed. Just to make sure we know that we are guiding you properly, one of our head tutors, he took the test. I'm going for the test very soon. Around 19 students in this month itself have got 8 each, right? And around 26 students have got 7 each, and many students have got obviously 6 each. Now, what I'm going to discuss in this video, are there any changes? Can you still use the template? Can you still add write from dictation extra words? Can you use templates in summarize spoken text? Very first thing, can you use essay templates? Yes, 120% you can use essay templates. Our tutor and all our students who took the exam and who got their desired scores use the same templates which we provide in the classes or on YouTube as well. But remember this thing, I've always told this thing in all my previous videos as well. It's not the template that will get you the scores. It's more about how you use the template. If you use the template properly, 120% you can get your desired scores, nothing to worry about. How you have to use it properly, just to make sure that you get full points in your essay. If you're using fixed essay template or any essay template, make sure you include all the keywords from the essay topic in your answer. Sometimes you get an essay topic with one sentence. Sometimes even you get 2 sentences or 3 sentences. What mistake many students make is they only include the first sentence. If you're getting an essay topic which is 2 sentences or 3 sentences, you need to make sure you include all the 3 sentences or keywords, main keywords from all 3 sentences in your answer. In literal terms, if I have to say, you need to address the computer or tell the computer that yes, you have asked me to write on these 3 topics and I'm writing everything you have asked me to write on. So you need to make sure you include all the main keywords from the essay topic in your answer. You can definitely use the essay template, no issues at all. Next, can you add extra words in write from dictation? We've been telling all our students that yes, you can. You can add 1 extra word per word. Let's say your dictation is 10 words, you can write up to 20 words. Our tutor did the same. He got 88 in listening, I guess 84, 85 in writing, something like this, right? And students have even got 90 in writing, 89 in writing. I'll attach a few recent scorecards on the screen. So yes, you can add extra words in write from dictation if you're not really sure about the study. Now, one thing you all need, and last thing, yes, you can still use template in summarize spoken text the same way you used to do before, no issues. One thing for writing, you all need to understand that how is writing scored. Writing essay and summarize written text only contribute around 20 points out of 90. Rest 70 points are from other modules. Now, if you're getting 40 in writing, 45 in writing, you think you have not got your points because of your essays. Let's say you got 0 in essay. Still, you, without even writing the essay, you can get around 77, 78. Why did you lose so much points? You need to understand that writing, majority of the points or scores in your writing come from listening. To get full points in your writing, make sure summarize spoken text, you write all the main keywords and there are no spelling errors. If you're not sure about any word, skip it. Listening blank, spelling should be correct. Write from dictation, spelling should be correct. Listening module will give you around 45 points in writing. Then your drop down blanks, also called your reading and writing blanks, around 20 points in your writing. So altogether, these two modules, listening and your reading, will give you around 65 to 70 points in writing. The rest 20 points are from writing itself. So you need to focus on summarize written text, your essay, your summarize spoken text spellings, listening blank spellings, write from dictation, and reading and writing blanks, and you'll be fine. Don't stress, no changes at all. You can do exactly the same way you used to do before, but make sure in essay, I've seen one student who got 0 in his extended writing, means he got a low score in his essay, which means that he did not, or his essay was not evaluated at all. Why? Because he missed out on writing all the keywords from the essay topic in the answer. If you include all the keywords from the essay topic in your answer, it's fine. If you've got very short essay topic, just repeat the essay topic 2 or 3 times, just to tell the computer, whatever you have asked me on, I'm writing whatever you want me to, or whatever you want me to address. I know it sounds a bit weird, but yes, this is how PTE works. And if you do so, you will be 120% fine. Our tutor who got 19 speaking, 88 in reading, around 87 listening, 84, 85 writing, he used online. One of my very close friends, he took the test recently, got 89, he used online as well. So I'm not saying that we have to only use online, but yes, you can use any strategy you are comfortable with. Don't focus on things which you cannot control. PT has not changed anything. You just give your best, focus on what you can control, practice your best, take the feedback, and you can easily get the score. If many students are getting it every day, you can do it as well. Just give your 100% and you'll be fine. That's it from this video. If the video was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. If you want me to make any other video, do let me know in the comment section. Language Academy PT app, LA PT Exam Practice app is now available on iOS and Google Play Store. You download it for free and start practicing for free. Last, if you need any help, we have got our branches in these locations, or you can contact us on the numbers given below and we'll be with you. We do provide online and on-campus classes and we'll be happy to assist you. Varun from Language Academy, I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe. And go on languageacademy.com.au and start practicing.